Welcome reception learners. This is lesson number 56. My name is Lee and this is Baby Bear. Our learning intention for today's lesson is to identify the attributes of two-dimensional shapes. When we talk about two-dimensional shapes, we're talking about the dimension of length and the dimension of width. A two-dimensional shape hasn't got any depth, so it means you can't pick it up. Do you know, Baby Bear, we have got our very favourite activity to do. We've got our mystery box. And inside our mystery box, it's a mystery because we can't see inside it. It's got solid sides, a front and a back, and we can't see. It's a mystery. So we need to listen to the clues and we need to use that information to formulate a guess and to see if our guess is correct. Let's sing our mystery box song. You might have heard it before and you can join in. Are you ready? Something is hiding in the box. Something is hiding in the box. What could it be? What could it be? Something is hiding in the box. Okay, are you ready for your clues? Are you ready, Baby Bear? There are actually 5 clues today. 5. Are you ready? Listen carefully. The first clue is, they are all around us. Second clue is, some have corners. Third clue is, some have straight sides. Fourth clue is, some have curves. And the last clue is, some are even near me. Have you listened to all those clues and formulated a guess? I know I have. Have you, Baby Bear? Great. Let's open the lid and see what's inside. It's a really big envelope. Let's move the mystery box out the way and open up the envelope and see what's inside. Oh, I'm a bit excited. Oh, I can see, let's put these down here. I can see some shapes. Can you see them too? I wonder if you've ever seen these shapes before. Now I've got these little cards, they're labels here, and they're a bit like clues, and they tell us the special attributes, the special features that make each single two-dimensional shape unique. Have a listen as I read out the clues and we'll check and see which attribute belongs to each shape. Are you ready? Okay, first one. I have 3 corners and 3 straight sides. Let's check. 3 corners. Now, before we start, do you know what a corner is? I wonder if you do. A corner is where 2 sides meet. So I'm looking for 3 corners and 3 straight sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't be this one, can it? Let's move to the next one. 3 corners and 3 straight sides. 1, 2, 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 straight sides. This looks like it's a match. This is a triangle. I'm going to get my glue stick and stick it on. This is going to help us, Baby Bear, remember all the important information for each of our two-dimensional shapes. Okay, let's listen to the next clue. The next clue is 4 corners and 4 equal sides. 4 corners and 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Good. Let's look at these sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But look carefully. I don't think they're at equal length. These look like these are longer and these are shorter. So I don't think that this belongs to this attribute. All right, let's see these clues again. 4 corners, 4 equal sides. Let's have a look over here. Hang on. Can you see any corners here? I can't. I can only see one continuous curve. All right, what about this one? 4 corners and 4 equal sides. 1 corner, 2 corners, 3 corners, 4 corners. And let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aha! This one's a match. This is a square. Let's stick on the label that describes the square attributes. Great. Great, baby bear. We're getting there. We've got 2 clues left. Are you ready? This next one says it has 4 corners, 2 short sides, and 2 long sides. Did you remember we looked for this one before? Let's have a look. 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! All right, we need 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides. Let's have a look. 1 short side, 2 short sides, 1 long side, 2 long sides. This is a rectangle. We can stick this label under this rectangle shape here with all the attributes and features that make a rectangle a rectangle. And the last one, well, this is for, I think you might be able to guess, the circle. It says it has 0 corners, no corners, and 1 continuous curved edge. Can you see that? We're going to stick this one on there. This is going to be so helpful for us because through our lessons, we can keep on checking to make sure that our attributes match our shapes. Okay, now baby bear, that looks great. We've got our shapes and we've got their attributes, so we know exactly what makes the shape unique. But guess what? Baby bear and I, we love to turn things into characters. I don't know if you do at home, but I love to, and so does baby bear. So, in my bowl of goodies here, we've got some googly eyes and we've got some funny features that we can stick on to our shapes. So, let's start with our rectangle. Our rectangle, I'm going to put one eye here and one eye here. Good one. Look at that. And I think our rectangle, we might stick on this funny smile. Let's turn our rectangle into a character. Oh, that is great. That is so great. Now guess what? I'm going to stick you up here now. I'm going to get my blue tack. I'm going to stick you up on the board. And I've got to think of a name. Can you think of a funny name for our rectangle? We're going to call our rectangle, I'll get my texter. I think I'm going to call our rectangle Ronnie. Ronnie rectangle. Hi, Ronnie. Awesome. Okay, we've got some other shapes, baby bear. Are you ready? Are you ready at home? Our next one is our triangle. Let's put some funny eyes, googly eyes on our triangle shape. Oh, very sticky. Great. All right, I'm going to think of a really great another little feature to put on. I think I'm going to stick on a moustache on our triangle. Oh my goodness, fantastic. Let's get some more tack and stick up our triangle shape onto our easel here. And this is our triangle with a moustache and two googly eyes. And I think we might call our triangle Terry. Terry. Terry triangle. Oops. Good job. Hi, Terry. Welcome to our lesson. Okay, we've got now our square. Let's move our square over here. Put on some of these googly eyes. Getting the hang of this now. So fun. There's our googly eyes. Got a bit of sticky stuff on your eyes. Need to be able to see. And let's stick on this lovely mouth. And let's get our tack. And we'll stick our square onto our easel here. What a great square. Let's think about a name for our square. Square. What about we call our square Sammy? Oops. Sammy square. Our very last one we have here is our circle, our two-dimensional circle shape. Let's make that into a great character. Let's put the eyes nice and close together. And this is a fun mouth that we can add to our circle shape. Or I think that's my favourite one we've made. Let's get some tack on the back. Oh, look at that. Our final shape that we're sticking up here is our circle. Let's think of a name for our circle character. I know. What about Cindy? Cindy circle. So, Baby Bear, we created Ronnie rectangle, Terry triangle, Sammy square, and Cindy circle. And if we ever need to check, we can look underneath and we can look at the attributes, the features that make each shape unique. Baby Bear, I think we need to get ready because I've got a fun game for us to play in a minute. Baby Bear and I are going to play a really fun game. I know I look a bit funny, but guess what? We love dressing up. And this game is so fun. I hope you can join in at home as well. We've got our magnifying glass and our detective moustache. I'm going to give that to you, Baby Bear. And pop that there. I'll stick your moustache on for you. Good job, Baby Bear. Now we're going to be shape detectives. We've got a picture here and it's got lots and lots of two-dimensional shapes. And we have to use our knowledge of two-dimensional shapes. And if you remember, we just worked out all the attributes of the different shapes that we'll be searching for. So this will be able to help us identify the shapes. When we do, we're going to act and be like mathematicians, and we're going to record our findings on our chart over here. If you look over here, we've got a triangle shape, a square shape, a rectangle shape, and a circle shape. So we're going to go through each one of the objects in our picture and we are going to look at them. We're going to make a decision about what shape we think it is, and then we're going to record it over here. Are you ready? I'm ready. You ready, Baby Bear? I can see you are. You've got your moustache on. You've got your magnifying glass ready. Let's start over here. Okay, I can see here a shape that has got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners, 2 short sides and 2 long sides. I wonder, do you know what shape that is? Let's check. 4 corners, 2 short sides, 2 long sides. Let's have a look here at Ronnie rectangle. 4 corners, 2 short sides and 2 long sides. We know that this is a rectangle. So let's put a little, I'm going to do a dot here to represent that we found that one. We'll put a little tick here. Well done. Now, this is where it's really tricky. I don't know if you can see this, but inside the rectangle, I can see another shape that is just the same. It has 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, just like the rectangle because it's another rectangle. So I'm going to put another dot here. 2 rectangles so far. Great. Now, this is where we need our magnifying glass, Detective Baby Bear. And learners at home, I can see that there is another shape here. It has got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but they're all of the same length. And 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So 4 sides of the same equal length and 4 corners. Let's check. We know it's not Ronnie rectangle because we know Ronnie has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. We know it's not Terry triangle. Let's see. 3 corners. Is it Sammy square? Let's take a look. 4 corners and 4 equal sides. It's Sammy square. It's a square. Great. Now, this is where it's tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 squares in that one picture. My goodness. Whew. I'm going to have to draw 6 little dots here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew. And I'm going to give them all a tick so I don't count them again. Great. All right, let's move down the picture here. I can see, I think it looks like a bit like a computer screen or a TV screen. It's got 1, 2 short sides and 2 long sides, 4 corners. We remember that is a rectangle. A rectangle. Let's give that another mark over there. Okay, next to our computer screen or our TV, over here, I can see a broom. And I can see on that everyday object something that has got 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. 3 sides and 3 corners. Do you know what shape that is? 1, 2, 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle like Terry. Let's find our triangle and give it a mark. Well done. Ooh, we're doing so well. Let's move along here. I can see a suitcase, and on this suitcase, I'm using my prior knowledge and remembering all of the attributes of the shapes that we've explored. I can see 2 long sides, 2 short sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Do you know what this is? It's a rectangle. Let's give it a tick and let's give it a mark over here. Whew, we're doing good recording. Let's move over here. I can see, I think it's a camera, and I'm looking at a shape that has no corners and a continuous curve. Do you know what shape that one is? Let's check. No corners and a continuous curve. 0 corners, 1 continuous curved edge. That's a circle like Cindy's circle. Let's give it a mark. Finally, we have a circle that we found. Let's move down here, and I can see another shape that's very similar to the round circle shape that we just found before. It has got no corners and a curved edge that's continuous. So we've got another circle. Let's give it a tick. Great job. Just above that, it's a medal, and I can see a ribbon, but it's in a funny shape. It's got 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. Let's give it another mark over here. Good job. Let's look above that over here. I can see a clock. Can you see that clock? And I can see that the clock has one continuous curved edge and no corners. It's another, you got it, it's another circle. Give it a tick and we'll put a circle over here. Ooh, it's becoming quite even now. Up over here I can see some flags. I wonder if you can guess, using your knowledge of attributes of two-dimensional shapes that we've shared, what shapes do you think those flags are? Let's check really quickly. 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. They're triangles. And, oh my goodness, there's quite a few. I'm going to count. You ready to help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles. My goodness, I'm going to give them all a tick. 8 triangles. I'm going to have to mark them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, moving down here, I can see one continuous curve again on this ball shape. Can you see it? We know that that is a circle. Give it a mark over here and a tick over here. It's important I do that ticking and that marking, then I don't get confused. I feel like I'm being a really great mathematician. Don't you think so, baby bear? Okay, up over here on the table, I can see a flower. And in the middle of the flower, I can see a shape that goes round and round and round and has a continuous curve with no corners. You got it. We've got another circle. Let's pop that over here. And right next to it, hey, baby bear, you should know what this one is. It's just like what you've got in your lap here, a magnifying glass. And on the magnifying glass has, just like this one, a continuous curve with no corners. It's a circle. Great. Awesome. Okay, next to that, I can see a present. And on this present, I can see it's got 1, 2 long lines and 1, 2 short lines or sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. I know that is a rectangle. A rectangle. Great. Just below that, I can see a truck. You've got a truck like this in your toy box, baby bear. I can see one long side and another long side and 2 short sides. Can you see those there? And 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. That is a rectangle. Great. And just below them, 1, 2, 3 wheels. What shape is a wheel, baby bear? What do you think at home? A continuous curve that goes round and round with no corners. It's a circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're almost done, baby bear. I'm getting a bit exhausted. All of this detective work. Shape hunts are fun. I can see a shape here on this frame. I can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. I can see the sides are all of equal length. They're all the same. Let's have a look. I think it might be 4 corners, 4 equal sides. It's Sammy Square. Let's give it a tick. And let's give Sammy Square a mark over here. But just like we did with the rectangle frame before, just inside, I can see another one. It's exactly the same. Let's see. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That's another square. Put the mark there. Great. Our last one, baby bear. Are you ready? I can see a dartboard and I can see that it has no corners and I can see that it has one continuous curve and we know that that is a circle. Let's give that a big tick. And let's give that a tick here. Oh, wow. I can see by looking at my shape hunt picture that with all the ticks that we've gone through, we have identified all the shapes and we have looked at the attributes and we've classified them into the different shapes and collected all that data. Now let's see which shape had the most. Are you ready? Let's count together. Here's the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 triangles. Okay, how many squares? I wonder if it's more or less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8. Next, we've got rectangles. Do you think there's more or less rectangles? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles. And lastly, our circles. Whew, so far, we've got triangles, we've got 10, we've got 8 squares, we've got 6 rectangles. Ooh. What's your prediction? Do you think this is going to have more or less than 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're equal. They're the same. So Baby Bear, we found 10 circles, 10 triangles, 8 squares, and 6 rectangles. That was so fun. Do you know, you could have a go at home having your own shape hunt. You could look around your house and you could try to identify all the different shapes, and you could have a go at recording it just like I did. You could draw the shapes and you can make a mark for every shape you find and see which one has the most and which one has the least. It's really good fun. In this lesson, we explored the attributes of two-dimensional triangles, rectangles, circles, and squares. We went on a fun shape hunt and we made our really fun shape characters. We had lots of fun. I hope you enjoyed the lesson as much as we did. Hope to see you next time. Bye. Say bye, Baby Bear. Bye.